From KETK, you're watching East Texas Live.
All this month, we're going to be introducing you to nonprofit organizations taking part in East Texas Giving Day. Joining us now, Emily from the Smith County Children's Advocacy Center, here to tell us all about what y'all do. Emily, good morning and thanks for being with us.
Good morning. Happy to be here. Absolutely.
Always glad to have y'all. And tell us a little bit, in case you know maybe someone lives under a rock here in Smith County, what does the CAC do?
So we are part of a multidisciplinary team that serves children in Smith County who have been abused, whether that's physically, sexually, they witnessed violent crime, sex trafficking, drug exposure. And so we work with law enforcement, child protective services, and other agencies in our county, like medical teams and our staff, to help children get the help that they need and all the services. We want to be that hub for that family. And so we allow children to come in and talk to a forensic interviewer that's going to allow them to share their experience, their story in their own words. We have family advocates who support that family through the entire time that they're with us. We provide therapy that's free of charge for the child and their family members. We have a medical suite with medical staff to do wellness checks and exams if needed. And then we also have intervention and prevention in the community, in our schools and in the community, to make sure that we can get the word out about how they can protect kids in their lives.
And I was going to say, y'all have an upcoming event too, don't y'all?
We do. So we have our Blingo event, which is coming up in September 6th and 7th. And so we are already gearing up for that, and we are really excited about it.
All right. I mean, why do you think it's so important to be able to offer the services that you do, but then also to have these fundraising opportunities throughout the year like that?
So we want to get the community involved. The more people that know about what we do as an organization and why our work is so crucial, the more children we can reach and the more services we can provide for them. The more adults we can educate, the more kids get helped get reached. And so we want to make sure that as many people know what we do and how they can protect the kids in their life, whether they have children of their own, grandchildren in their family, or they work in a school, or they're around children for their work. We want to make sure that they know the signs and symptoms of abuse, how to report if there is a concern, and what steps they can take to protect children.
All right. Well, I mean, it takes a lot of money to be able to help do this, right? So that's why we're taking part in East Texas Giving Day. How many years have y'all been doing this?
Quite a few. And April is Child Abuse Awareness and Prevention Month. So East Texas Giving Day is a great kind of close out for this month of just tons of awareness and talking about how we can help kids. And so we are super excited for that. And also we have a Give Back with Hobbies next Thursday, the 20th, from 4 p.m. to close. They're going to be donating some percentage of the funds raised during that time back to us, which is great. And then also on the 25th, we're partnering with Stanley's Barbecue to do they're doing a charity youth art exhibition, and they're going to be having tons of activities for kids, and they're actually going to be displaying some artwork from people in the community, including some of our therapy clients who have done artwork to be displayed. So that's really exciting. That's something brand new that we're doing this year for the first time, and so we really hope that the community comes out for that.
Well, it's exciting to do that because, you know, the 25th is also Giving Day. So what you can do is give, and then you can go on eat and give even more.
Absolutely,
right?
yes.
So what you told me about a match that y'all are doing this year with Giving Day.
Yes, so we have a very generous match from Pelche. They gave us donated $25,000, and so we are super excited to have that match. And so we really hope that we can meet that match and even exceed it. And early giving is already going on, so people can go online and give right now, and then it will be submitted on Giving Day when it starts at 6 a.m.
All right. If anybody is interested in learning some more about what exactly the CAC does or how they can get involved, where can they go for some more information?
So our website, which is cacsmithcounty.org, has a lot of information, and then our East Texas Giving Day site, where they'll give on the 25th, is just easttexasgivingday.org/CAC Smith County.
Of course, you don't have to wait until the 25th to give, because we are currently in early giving right now. You see the CAC's page right there on the East Texas Giving Day site. Looks like y'all have already got about $3,000 there.
We have some great people in the community.
All right, we'll make sure to go out and give. We appreciate you being in with us this morning.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for having me.
Of course, anytime.